In Hinduism, worship holds special importance. Idols are set up to worship deities, and these idols or pictures are seen as symbols of devotion. For invoking divine blessings, idols are sacred as representations of the gods and goddesses, symbolizing faith and a direct connection to the divine. Vedas and Shastras advise specific guidelines on the respectful and mindful worship of these idols, emphasizing that both at home and in temples, certain rules should be honored to maintain spiritual harmony. While Hinduism venerates 33 types of deities, but scriptures mention that certain deities should not be worshipped at home, nor should their idols or pictures be kept in the house. Some people unknowingly make mistakes during puja, which can lead to various problems. One of the deities whose idol should not be kept at home is Kal Bhairav. There are several reasons why Kal Bhairav is not worshipped at home. In this video, we will discuss and analyze all these reasons. Kal Bhairav, a fierce and powerful form of Bhagwan Shiv, holds a unique and sacred position in Hinduism. As the Kal Purush, meaning Lord of Time and a protector deity, Kal Bhairav is honored in temples across India and beyond, with his images inspiring respect. Despite his importance, many people are advised against placing idols or pictures of Kal Bhairav in their homes. This advice comes from a blend of religious beliefs, astrological principles, and traditional perception, each holding reasons for why keeping a Kal Bhairav idol or photo at home may be inadvisable. First of all, let's understand intense energy of Lord Kal Bhairav. Kal Bhairav is associated with very intense, protective, and transformative energy. He is believed to be the manifestation of Lord Shiva's anger, created to destroy negativity and ignorance. His energies are connected with the darker aspects of life, such as the control of time, death, and fierce protection against evil. While these aspects are vital and positive in the proper settings, many believe that such energies should be carefully managed, as they may not align harmoniously with the home environment. Typically, a home is a place intended for peace, relaxation, and familial harmony, whereas Kal Bhairav's energy is best suited for temples or sacred spaces designed for intense spiritual activities and protective energies. Kal Bhairav is primarily worshipped in temples where rituals are performed by trained priests with specific mantras, offerings, and guidelines that harness his powerful energy in a controlled manner. Temples dedicated to Kal Bhairav are often secluded, or their shrines are designed to channel and manage the potent energies he embodies. In a home, it can be challenging to follow these traditional rituals with the same discipline and knowledge required. Devotees may not be able to give Kal Bhairav the respect, worship, and daily offerings that he traditionally requires, which could potentially disturb the balance of energies. Second reason is, the idol of Lord Bhairav is usually placed in open spaces, as he is a deity associated with Tantra. His worship is primarily done for tantric practices, which are performed outside the home. This is why Lord Bhairav's idol is not installed in the household. Third reason is related to astrological implications and Vastu considerations. In Vastu Shastra, Kal Bhairav's influence is powerful but also very specific. Vastu experts usually recommend placing calming and harmonious deities in homes, such as those of Devi Lakshmi, Bhagwan Ganesh, or Devi Saraswati, who represent wealth, wisdom, and knowledge, balancing the household's overall energy. Kal Bhairav, on the other hand, is considered more fitting for places that require protection and for specific astrological remedies. Astrologically, Kal Bhairav is associated with the planet Saturn and its effects, as well as with Rahu and Ketu, the shadow planets. Worship of Kal Bhairav can be helpful for people undergoing adverse planetary influences, but his idol or photo is better suited for a dedicated temple or prayer space than a typical home setting. Many believe that unless a family has a specific astrological need to worship Kal Bhairav regularly, it's best to avoid placing his image at home. The fierce energies of Kal Bhairav may have unintended effects in a household, especially if not aligned with the family's lifestyle or intentions. His association with the darker and more intense aspects of existence, such as the mysteries of life and death, could create disturbances or stress if kept in the home without the necessary spiritual discipline. Some believe that his presence can increase the risk of conflicts, restlessness, or a sense of imbalance within the family unit, particularly for those unaccustomed to intense spiritual practices. Kal Bhairav is often called upon for protection against evil forces, and his presence is seen as a shield against evil entities and energies. In temples, this protective aspect serves a crucial role, as many people visit with the specific intent of removing obstacles and negative energies. At home, however, there are generally fewer such protective requirements, and therefore the intense energies Kal Bhairav brings may not be necessary. In fact, traditional beliefs hold that placing a Kal Bhairav idol at home without understanding and respecting his role can unintentionally invite energies that may disrupt the peace. This is why temples dedicated to Kal Bhairav exist, and people often visit these temples to receive his blessings, rather than bringing his energies directly into their living spaces. While keeping an idol or picture of Kal Bhairav at home is generally not advised, devotees can still honor him in other ways. Many choose to visit Kal Bhairav temples on specific days, such as Mondays, Saturdays, or during the 8th day of the lunar fortnight, meaning Ashtami, or during Rahu Kal, an astrological period dedicated to Kal Bhairav, to receive his blessings. Some devotees keep his presence in their lives by chanting his mantras, such as the Kal Bhairav Ashtakam, which invoke his protection and blessings without the need for a physical idol or image in the home. Another alternative is to keep a picture or small representation in a dedicated prayer or meditation space, where it can be respectfully worshipped without influencing the household environment. This allows for reverence toward Kal Bhairav while respecting the traditional guidance surrounding his presence in the home. The guidance against placing a Kal Bhairav idol or photo at home stems from a deep understanding of his powerful, protective, and intense energies. Unlike other deities whose presence is calming and welcoming for family life, Kal Bhairav embodies forces that are best directed toward protection, transformation, and the control of cosmic energy, aspects most suited for temples or spaces dedicated to intense spiritual practice. Instead, visiting temples and performing regular chants dedicated to Kal Bhairav offer a balanced approach, allowing devotees to honor and seek his blessings while keeping the home environment peaceful and harmonious. In the end, the decision should be based on individual spiritual needs, understanding, and respect for traditional wisdom. Shubham Bhavtu.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit, God bless you.